English Learning Network.
Hi friends, welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today we're talking about the present tense and future tense using everyday conversations. I eat lunch at 12 p.m.
I will eat lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow.
She walks to school every day.
She will walk to school on Monday.
We play soccer on Saturdays.
We will play soccer next Sunday.
He studies English every evening.
He will study English tonight.
I read books before bed.
I will read a new book this weekend.
They watch TV after dinner.
They will watch a movie tomorrow night.
I cook dinner for my family.
I will cook pasta on Friday.
We exercise in the morning.
We will exercise at the gym tomorrow.
I drink coffee every morning.
I will drink tea instead tomorrow.
It rains a lot in April.
It will rain next weekend.
The sun shines during the day.
The sun will shine tomorrow too.
Birds sing in the morning.
Birds will sing when spring comes.
We swim in the summer.
We will swim at the beach next summer.
The dog barks at night.
The dog will bark if it hears a noise.
I walk in the park every evening.
I will walk there tomorrow.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
I will go to school early tomorrow.
She writes in her notebook.
She will write a letter later.
We study math in the afternoon.
We will study science next.
He listens to music after class.
He will listen to a new song later.
I draw pictures in my sketchbook.
I will draw a big picture next time.
We read stories in English class.
We will read a new story tomorrow.
The teacher gives homework.
The teacher will give homework tomorrow.
I buy fruits at the market.
I will buy vegetables tomorrow.
She drinks juice for breakfast.
She will drink milk tomorrow.
We eat dinner at 7 p.m.
We will eat dinner later tonight.
I order pizza on Fridays.
I will order pasta next time.
I bake cookies for my friends.
I will bake a cake for my family.
She pays for her groceries.
She will pay by card tomorrow.
They cook breakfast every morning.
They will cook pancakes tomorrow.
I drink water after exercise.
I will drink milk tea later.
I travel every summer.
I will travel to Paris next year.
She visits her cousin every month.
She will visit her next weekend.
We go camping in the mountains.
We will go camping next month.
He rides his bike to the park.
He will ride his bike on Sunday.
I take a walk after lunch.
I will take a walk tomorrow.
They fly to London in December.
They will fly there next week.
I go to the beach in July.
I will go there next month.
She cleans her room every weekend.
She will clean it tomorrow.
We have a picnic in the park.
We will have a picnic on Saturday.
We go to the coffee shop.
We will go there after lunch.
I take a test on Friday.
I will take another test next month.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.